Captain Conley, City of Logan Fire Department, fire instructor. We're going to go over how to set up a 3-to-1 Z-rig today using the proper hardware. We're going to be using 1/2-inch rope. And we got all our hardware and everything laid out. So first thing we're going to do is grab one of the carabiners. Let's go with this one. And we'll come on down here to the basket. Now we're going to tie an 8 on a bight. Dress it up. Throw a safety in there. Basket secure. Now we're going to put our rigging plate, prusik binding pulley, connect all this stuff to our anchor strap. Now, we're going to come down and set up our second pulley. I'm going to try to get as close to the load as we can. Grab that second pulley for me. Thanks, sir. Now we'll take our prusiks. Shorter one will go closer to the pulley. Shift the knot to where it's not in the middle so it don't get wrapped up. Pull 2 around here. Dress it up. Lock it in. Same thing with this one. 2 wraps. Now these are going to serve as our brake for our system. Now, if you would, somebody put a little bit of tension on that basket. At least stand on it or something. Now we set up our braking system up here, and we are using a prusik binding pulley, so you don't have to have somebody stand here and manually feed the brake. It actually, the prusiks will mind the pulley and keep the tension where we want it. Okay. Now, as you can see, the shape of the rope takes on a Z. That's what we want, the 3-to-1. Now, whenever we pull, okay, now let's say we need to reset the system. Put some tension, pull the basket back your way. Well, when these Prusiks are under a good load, see, they keep the tension. That way your load can't slide any further. Then you'll go down here, slide these down, get a better bite, and you can pull again and raise your system up. And all the hardware works together. Everything feeds through. You got a Prusik mounting pulley with a self brake on it. Everything should work out good. You just have to reset your system. But that's all that's set up for a Z-rig 3-to-1. All right, so we showed you how to do the Z-rig with the hardware. Now, we do a lot of trail rescue around here. So if for some odd reason all you have is a rope and you're out and about and you need it for this, I'll show you how to set it up without any hardware. You find you a good anchor that you can wrap your rope around that'll slide, a smooth tree or semi-smooth tree. This is going to be a one-shot done deal. You won't be able to reset the system. So we've got no hardware. So we're going to tie a retrace 8. Dress it. The safety on. Now, in places where you would have a pulley here, you're not going to be able to have the pulley in, so we're just going to use the rope and put it inline directional 8. So you'll bend it around. Might need a little more than that. Bend it around. Come back through. You got your inline directional 8 pointing back the way that we need it to. Now you have to pull all your other slack down. Feed the rope through. Put some tension on that basket. Now, as you can see, we got the same shape, Z-rig. And once you start pulling, everything should work just like it did with hardware, but you'll have a little more rope friction, maybe even a little rope damage over time. But if you had to use it in a pinch, it'll work. And that's how you set it up without any hardware.